Stay younger and keep your skin glowing with 9times baked bamboo salt. The battle against aging on the skin is a daily battle, with wrinkles, sagging skin, and a lackluster complexion becoming constant reminders of the passing years. Bamboo salt is a natural solution to keep your outer beauty intact, offering anti-aging effects and numerous health benefits. Studies and experiments reveal that 9times baked bamboo salt has profound effects on the human skin, stimulating collagen synthesis, improving skin texture, reducing wrinkle appearance, and supporting the skin's natural regenerative processes. It also elevates elastin protein in sun-weakened skins and supports the instant recovery of damaged tissues. Bamboo salt possesses significant antioxidant properties, including minerals like selenium, which act as essential cofactors for antioxidant enzymes like SOD and CAT, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals. By inhibiting oxidative damage caused by H2O2, bamboo salt can protect the skin from premature aging caused by environmental factors such as UV radiation and pollution. The interaction of bamboo salt with human keratinocytes, HACAT cells, which are widely used for studying skin cell biology, aim to investigate the potential effectiveness of bamboo salt on the cellular level. The results of the experiment demonstrated promising outcomes, with bamboo salt enhancing cell viability and proliferation, promoting cellular growth and regeneration, and exhibiting significant antioxidant activity. Additionally, bamboo salt exhibited antimicrobial activity, inhibiting the growth of certain microorganisms that could be detrimental to skin health. In conclusion, 9times baked bamboo salt is the perfect path to radiant skin, packed with essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and iron. This K-lava bamboo salt revitalizes the skin, promotes cell regeneration, detoxifies and purifies, restores pH balance, and gently exfoliates. So what are you waiting for?